Welcome to the Time TV channel. Watch a variety of interesting news. We will present the world's hot news, sports, celebrities, gossip, the state of the world today. Selamat menyaksikan. Terima kasih.
5 unique facts around the world. Talking about the Earth is certainly endless. Every place must have a unique and interesting story to discuss. Here are some interesting facts that Lumina has summarized for all of you. 1. Sharks lose their teeth every year. Here's the explanation. When one of the teeth falls out, the other teeth in the back move to replace it. The process itself only lasts for 24 hours. Sharks continue to replace their teeth throughout their lives. Their new teeth grow even bigger than the teeth that have fallen out. This is a unique thing for this one predatory animal because shark teeth are known as the main tool for finding prey. 2. Ants can lift 50 times their body weight. A worker ant can lift objects weighing 5 to 10 times its body weight, as well as pulling objects that are 20 to 50 times heavier than the ant itself. 3. Interesting facts about saliva. Saliva, or often known as saliva, is one of the fluids in the mouth produced by the salivary glands. This saliva serves to help the mechanical digestion process in the mouth. 4. The memory of fish is only 3 seconds. Many think that the memory of goldfish is only 3 seconds is a fact. A study managed to reveal this statement. A researcher named Cullen Brown said that goldfish are intelligent creatures and know how to avoid predators. 5. The ostrich's eyes are bigger than its brain. Yes, the ostrich has a smaller brain than its eyes. The ostrich's brain weighs only 42.1 grams, while its eyeballs weigh 47.6 grams. Very small, isn't it? That's why it often happens to ostrich keepers, namely the ostrich they care for gets sick or even dies from eating foreign objects nearby.
Welcome to the Time TV channel. Watch a variety of interesting news. We will present the world's hot news, sports, celebrities, gossip, the state of the world today. Selamat menyaksikan. Terima kasih.